Everyone, and welcome to our Easy 2290 YouTube channel. Once you've created an account with Easy 2290, this is what you should see. It's business profile list with your tax ID number, business name. This is just a test account I created to do this video. Then we're going to click select. Over here, you're going to click create new return. Agree that some states charge for the e-filing fee taxes. This is where you can select your tax year. We show 3 years. I'm going to choose the current tax year, which goes from July 1st of one year through the end of June of the following year. So this year is July of 2023 through June of 2024. Month first used, if I've driven the truck all year, then I would choose July, or whatever month you first used your truck, that is the month you'll select. This is not my final return. I don't have an address change, so I'm going to go to new 2290 return. And then this is where you have options of taxable vehicle, tax suspended vehicle, a credit request, or sold suspended. I'm going to add new in the taxable vehicle section. And this is where you type your VIN. Whether or not you're logging. Logging means once they chop trees down in the forest, you go in and haul them out. Most people say no here, but then there are you guys that really do that, so you would choose yes. Select your weight. This is with your truck, trailer, and full load. So you've got, it starts at 55,000 pounds all the way up to over 75,000 pounds. Then over here, you're going to click the little check box that saves that vehicle. And then my tax meter shows me what the amount of taxes is that I owe for that heavy vehicle use tax. Click next. This is where you can designate someone else to speak to the IRS on your behalf regarding this filing. If you choose yes, you fill out this information. If you choose no, just click next. This is where you can review everything that you're submitting. Then at the bottom of this page, you have to sign on this line, either with your mouse or your finger if it's a touch screen. If you don't like your signature, you can click reset and you can do it again and then click next. This brings you to the IRS payment information page. From here, you can put in your banking information to do a direct bank draft. You can select EFTPS if you have an account with EFTPS.gov. You can click on mail in check. This is where you will have to mail in your check and agree that that's your responsibility. Or you can click on credit or debit card. Now, if you choose to pay by credit or debit card, you'll have to go to this website, irs.gov/pay-by-card. Then you have to accept that it's your responsibility to do that. Now, the IRS will issue that Schedule 1 on good faith that you are going to go to their website to pay your taxes. The only way you can do it from this platform is to put in your banking information for a direct bank draft. Anything else, you are required to go to the appropriate website to pay those taxes. Then click next. This is everything for you to review. If you need to edit anything, you can just edit it to the right. If it all looks good, you go to proceed to pay. Now I'm submitting for this return only, which is one vehicle. If you are one company and you have a large fleet, this other option might be best for you. But this is not for one person to do unlimited filing. It is per company. So remember that. So I'm going to click payment for this return only. And then this is where I'm going to enter my credit card information. This is for your e-filing fee. My total amount to pay is $19.99. This is not where I can pay my taxes. That was on the previous screen. This is to pay your e-filing fee, and then click confirm. Once you do click confirm, you will get an email with your submitted return information. And that will also be found in your account under submitted return. You'll see a little PDF download button that you can download. It's 7 or 8 pages long, and that's just your submission paperwork. Then within 1 hour, sometimes less, you can, under the Schedule-1 header, you'll see another little PDF download button, and that's where you can download the Schedule-1, which has the watermark on it, and it'll say e-filed with the date that you filed that 2290. So that's the one with the watermark. It's 1 page. You should get an email for that one as well. Just remember, your submission paperwork will have a copy of the Schedule-1, but it does not have the watermark. You wait till you get the Schedule-1 within an hour with the watermark. That's the one you need to renew your plates and carry with you. So I hope this little video helped, so you can see how easy it is to do this, and it's all step by step, very self-explanatory. But if you do get stuck or you need any other information, you're more than welcome to reach out to support or the IRS, and we're always more than happy to help. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.